Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are starting a new fresh series on Vastu Shastra. What is Vastu Shastra? Vastu Shastra is a science of construction and architecture which originates in India. In ancient time, all type of constructions, whether it is temple, king house, palace, normal houses, towns, cities, gardens, roads, shops and other public places are constructed as per Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra is basically a science which work on a human body which live in a constructed any area, that might be a workplace, house. Our body is made up of 5 elements: water, air, earth, fire and sky. Vastu is based on this principle, the principle of 5 elements, how to balance all these energies for human welfare. Vastu Shastra sets some rules and principle to construct any architecture. In ancient time, Vastu worked with the astrology and the movement of stars. In many ancient books like Vishwakarma Prakash, Vastu Vidya and Vedas set some principles to design any building or area according to the astrological calculations. The classical literature on Vastu Shastra is vast. Vishwakarma Vastu Shastra, Mandana Sutradhar, Samaranga Sutradhar, Mayamatam, Brihad Samhita and several of Puranas and Agamic work deal with the subject in great detail. Vastu principles, if carefully followed, bring not only just prosperity into the household but also love and peace. Vastu Shastra is directed at harmonizing external space with the internal space within the man. Vastu aims to restore the balance between the home, that is the macrocosm, and the cosmos, that is a macrocosm, bringing health, wealth and happiness. According to the Vastu Shastra, the external and internal are interchangeable because the underlying energies that govern the elements such as wind or fire are the same as those that control the regions of the human body. Vastu Shastra states that when buildings and forms echo the underlying cosmic principles, they become a part of that basic structure of the universe and vibrate in harmony with it. These positive vibrations have a direct effect on the inhabitants. Our ancient sages saw the influence of cosmic energy on human beings. They found that the various energy that run around us in a particular pattern could be harnessed such that they resonated positively with the individual being or the people residing in the buildings to make their lives meaningful and harmonious.